How did I go off on a 15-minute tangent about unicorns?
What's up, guys? It's Austin, and today I have a man from Florida breaking all my shit.
That's what I do.
Let's get going. A little bit ago, we went and got some lunch, and we decided to take my Jeep, even though it's 40 degrees out. And
lovely.
And about on the way there, I drove, and it was fine. On the way back, Donnie, you can follow him on Twitter. He did this.
So
yeah, he drove here. He just got done with the Lemons rally. He drove here in this. By the way, call this number. YouTube, please don't demonetize me for the pentagram. Today, on Austin's Garage, Florida man fixes what he broke.
there we go.
Over to advanced?
Let's go.
Alright, stick to Lexus. I'm driving there, you drive back.
Sounds good.
Starting a Lexus is complicated. First, I get in, I start it. I pop the hood. There's a switch over here. You flip that to activate the radiator fans. Then you pull the brake rotor.
Okay.
And then you jump in. Oh, I have to make sure the door works. We're good. Good! I don't know!
Where was that? The pedal was the whole way out.
So we couldn't find a cap for it. So we got some gasket maker and yeah. So I guess we'll just do it and then see. Alright, Donnie, tell us about your experience driving my cars.
So the Yugo's broken because it's a Yugo.
Alright.
And that one I experienced by pushing it, which I guess is the Yugo owner's experience. Because they're light enough, it ran down the driveway just fine. It didn't get away from us. It didn't wind up in the neighbor's living room. The Jeep was great up until it broke.
Up until, wait.
Up until I broke it.
There we go.
Up until I broke it. Yeah, up until my man feet ripped out the oil pressure sending line from the motor. The Jeep was fine, minus the fact that there was a stomach to steering wheel interference issue.
And a half turn of play.
Oh, no, not a half turn, a good 3/4. A good 3/4 turn of play. But the brakes work. The brakes work exponentially when you put 2 feet on the pedal.
No, you have to really push it to
Yes.
get it to do anything.
And then the Lexus, yeah, it's got issues in the tune or something like that. There's something fuel delivery tune related.
But it starts.
Oh, it ran perfect.
And it sounds great.
Oh, it sounds great. It pulls hard when it's not popping and banging.
But I need to get the fenders rolled.
Yes, the fenders do need to be rolled.
And when two 250-pound plus guys get in it.
Yes. I would say wider seats.
Yeah.
Just me, but wider seats.
I mean, they're racing seats.
I think now that I've experienced all of your vehicles, I think we need to put a fan in the Escort.
All right.
And you need to take that for a ride.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
So what happened was he was driving, and then this fan right here stopped working. Are you sure it's the fan and not your wiring?
I'm sure.
All right, so let's see if this works. Ah, yeah, that works.
And that pulls the right direction too.
Yeah.
God, that works. Let's not put that across the back.
This might be the only time a Yugo part has fixed another car.
Setting records.
Hey Ford, your car is getting fixed by with a Yugo part. now's the moment of truth. We've let it cure for about, what, 2 hours? Cure for a little bit. So we're going to start it up and see if it works. That'd be a negative.
Today on Things Didn't Go As Planned.
So what we're doing now, we attempted to fix the Jeep with some gasket maker, and it spectacularly failed. So we're going to Ace Hardware to try to find a cap for it. I guess we're going to try to do that. He has to leave tonight, but we want to try to fix that to at least be able to pull that into the garage, because I want to get down below freezing and I don't have any antifreeze to put in it. So, only the best for the Jeep.
Only the best.
Only the best. So we figured out a way to do this. We took it to Ace Hardware and we got all of this to stick on the end of this. Those 4 things go on this to cap it. And that's how we're fixing it. Donnie, do the honors. Crank her up.
Contact.
With that, we're out of oil. We fixed it. Oh, there we go. We fixed it. So after a fun day, a long day, and an expensive day, we're done. He successfully broken my Yugo, broken my Jeep.
The Yugo was broken before I got here.
Is bad luck on your part. He burnt the Lexus's clutch, and then he stole a fan. So, all in all, Florida, having people over from Florida, it's a great idea. How was it?
You know, you've extended the Southern hospitality to me. I appreciate it. I brought my own little mess of chaos here.
Yes.
And you accepted it with open arms. You laughed at me hysterically, and we didn't die.
We didn't die, although driving the Jeep was terrifying.
Yes.
Was absolutely mind-bogglingly terrifying.
I've driven some sketchy cars in my day, and that now is up at the top of the list.
I mean, the fact that, you know, I'm a bigger guy in it, and it is close to me. There was very little stomach to wheel room there. And then the fact that the oil was directly on the brake pedal.
Yes. we should find that shoe and set it on fire tonight.
I'm game. But thank you for coming over.
Thanks for having me.
And I'll be down there. We'll do the whole gift swapping. And thank you all for watching. As always, have a great day. Thumbs up.